All right. Take two. Am I going to be a winner this time? I had to try. Let's give this a shot. Take two. Take two on the Good Burger picture disc. I'm sorry, splatter disc. Did I get the one where there's 300 or the one where there's 50? Anyone want to put a wager on it? I don't know. Can't tell from the... Ooh, this is different though. This one, unlike the first one, has a little sticker on the corner. What is that supposed to mean? Can I read anything through it? No, not really. I could try to take the yellow. There's a yellow sticker and there's an orange sticker. So I'm liking that idea because it's the only thing that so far would be different about it. So I'm gonna leave that part on here in case it turns out to be the telltale sign when you open up your thing here. So using a blade to very carefully preserve the outer shrink. Let's see. Are you wishing me luck, or would you rather the rarer ones still be preserved for your own chances? Let's see. Let's see where we are here. Okay, here we go. Oh! I think, let me see, oh my God. Boom! There it is. One of the rarer ones. Nice. It has clear, and then it has the mustard and ketchup condiments. Boom! All right. Now I feel like an extra special winner, even though I honestly like the standard vinyl appearance more than this. But now I have both, and I actually did buy the other one too, the Mondo, I think it's called, because I wanted to have that one. So now I'll have them all. Look at that shit. All right, clear vinyl. Imagine the excitement that we would have for all of our records if everyone put all of their stuff out in splatters and colors and things like that. It would be amazing. Why don't people do this? So here, guys, is what I'm saying. If for some way you open up a package and you see this little dot, that's how I think you know. I can't read what it might say underneath it, or if it says anything underneath it. But anyway, I'm psyched. Okay, if it could happen to me, it could happen to you. Maybe you should buy two of them. Peace.